Good afternoon, it's Carolyn here from Waiheke Island down under in New Zealand. I've come here to give you the definition of a deciduous conifer. Now I'm talking about that beautiful golden coloured tree there that I'm walking up to. So this is a conifer, and in summer it is a beautiful lime green, but now it is changing colour to this golden colour, wonderful golden colour, and it's losing its leaves entirely and it will become dormant. So that's a deciduous tree, but it's unusual that it's a deciduous conifer. That is uncommon for a conifer to do. We've got a lot of native conifers here in New Zealand, and none of them, as far as I know, go deciduous. So like our most famous conifers are our big Kauri, our Rimu, our Totara. Those are all conifers, and none of them lose their leaves and go dormant. You can see it's got these little small cones up there. So this is an imported tree. It comes from America, and its common name would be the swamp cypress, and it can grow in very, very wet conditions, and you might associate it in America with, it would be in what we would call a swamp. Maybe they call it a bayou, or streams, and maybe a couple of alligators cruising around it. But that tells you a little bit of a story too, because this tree, being able to tolerate living in salt water as well, it makes a very, very good wood tree for certain things. So there you go, really just wanted to give you an example to go with the definition of a deciduous conifer. So that's the swamp cypress from America.